So today we've got a little off-grid trick we're going to show you. I've got a bad valve here. The washer's probably gone on it, so I can't shut it all the way off anymore. That's why the hose is hooked up here so it won't keep pouring out. Now normally I would just unscrew that and let the water shoot out and put a new valve in and get all wet. But there's a little trick you can do to try to alleviate that problem. So we've got some grocery bags here. Stuff them in here. And we're going to clamp them to the end of this stick here. Maybe get that a little tighter. There we go. Now I've got about 300 gallons in here, so we're going to try to keep some of that from shooting out. So what we got to do is let the water start flowing and try to get that bag to get sucked in the outlet. That's not too bad. Success.